Well, we wondered if after the inning ended, if this conversation would resume. This is about the pop-up that Guerrero called for. Bo was in the shift on the right side a second. He called off Vladdy, but Vladdy made the catch. And it started off, I was kind of joking about it at the beginning, but Bo didn't look too happy about it, and the conversation continued in the dugout between innings.
Yeah, we both thought it was going to be somewhat humorous, but I don't think it was. And this is exactly what you want to see, though, Dan. You iron it out right now with each other in the dugout, and you can see Bo's doing all the talking. And regardless of how this is going, they're ironing it out. They're going to figure it out. And it could just simply be that, that ball could easily be Vladdy's, right? He just came in from his position, but it could be more about communication. Bo may be saying, if we're calling it, we've got to both talk. I got it, you take it. The last thing you want to do is run into each other.
Yeah, and you can easily, it's easy to guess what each was saying right there. Vladdy's saying, I was right here, I didn't have to move. And Bo's saying, if I call you off, that doesn't matter. I have priority. So they're each making their case. Interesting stuff. And no coaches needed. The two of them can figure it out.